If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making ChandraKanti. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take 1 cup of urad dal, 1 cup of moong dal in quarter cup of rice and soak them in some water for roughly about 3 hours. Then discard the water and blend to a thick paste. Then take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee, half a cup of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. Now take a pan and place it over medium flame and first add all the ghee, followed by all the sugar, 1 cup of water, powder and the salt. Now wait till all the sugar dissolves. Then after that add all the blended paste, and we need to roast this until all the moisture is reduced, that's the water content, and it forms to a sticky dough which should release the sides of the pan, just like this. So now switch off the flame. Then take a tray or a plate and apply ghee all over it. Then transfer the sticky dough into it. And using a spatula or a spoon, spread it uniformly. Then let it rest to set for at least 1 hour. Then using a knife, cut them into square pieces. Then to fry them, take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on high. Then to that, add them one by one. And as the dough is already cooked, these won't take too much time. So fry them until they are golden in color. And it's done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, ChandraKanti. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.